procrastination at its finest. So I didn't realize I even needed gas yet. It still had like 30 something miles, which is more than enough to make it here and back. But then my gas light came on and I was not about to risk that. So I usually go to Kroger, but I just stopped at BP because I don't want to run out of gas. I'd be stranded on the side of the road somewhere. So I'm gonna be a couple minutes late to class too. Fail. I'm never late to class either, so whatever. It's happening today. So, I mean, not like crazy late or anything, but just like 5 minutes late or something, which I know some people, it's probably not that late, but I don't know. All right, so now I just got done with my first class. I have a few hours break actually. So I'm gonna head and do my Kroger video early for you guys, hopefully to get it up earlier. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. So it's mega sales time, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, and I was so nervous about being here late. My teacher actually was way later than me, so that made me feel a little bit better. You might wonder, like, what do I do with my walkthrough? I just basically walk the entire store looking for mega items. All right, so it's been a minute since I've caught up with you guys. It's about 3 o'clock. I just got out of my last time going to this one math class, and the teacher brought in cake, so that was like so nice. And just preparing for the finals. Well, actually it was a supplementary class to help with statistics. So like, so it was like helping prepare us for the stats final. So that's really I'm glad I took that class. So we had cake, and then that was that. So now I'm going to head home, go to the post office, just send out the box for Financial Phoenix. I really wanted to get that out way sooner than today. I've just been slacking, and I had to actually get one last thing at Kroger. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the box out now, run the post office, go home, finish up a statistics project, post the participating items video, because like I said, I've been at Kroger already. So yeah, it's been Wednesdays were always very stressful. Always a lot going on Wednesdays this semester, because I'd be out at college for like 8 hours. And then I would have to do Kroger for you guys. So it's really, really nice to get that done earlier. So yeah, that's why it'll be nice this next semester. My hours are different, so I will be able to get Kroger done a lot earlier. So that'll be a nice perk. I gotta shave, as you can tell. But yeah, that's pretty much the extent of today. There's church tonight, so there'll be that, but besides that, not really too much else going on today. So, but it's been a pretty busy day. All right, so here's the box I'm going to be sending to Financial Phoenix. There's a few gifts in there for her, her kids, and a couple for her husband. So I went a little crazy on the gift exchange. I just started like seeing things to throw in it, and I was like, I haven't had to shop for a kid for a long time. And we didn't have to shop for the kids, but I don't know, I thought it'd be a nice thing to do. And I just got like seeing toys that I would have loved as a kid. So I was like, I'm going to throw these in here. So like, went a little overboard, but I think it's all right. So I'm going to take this down to the post office now at the mall. And I don't know if I'll look around at the mall at all. I have another gift exchange to start shopping for, actually, that is due next week. So I need to like get a move on. But I'm going to take this stuff down to the post office, which is in the mall. All right, I have got the absolute best P.O. box, or not P.O. box, post office here. The lady gave me her coupons from Kroger. She sat there and like ripped off the ones she didn't want, and she just saved them for me. Like, I couldn't believe someone's that nice. So like, she's so nice. Every time she's always like, she says, oh, we get extra ads. Would you want those? She's so nice. So I got that out. So she'll get it tomorrow. So that's awesome. I didn't even think they'd get it that quick. And leave next Monday at, I think next Monday, we're going to do a live stream where we open our boxes online together. It's actually going to be a really cool thing. We've never done a 3-person live stream. Myself, Kaylee, and Financial Phoenix, or Alexis, will go live. It's actually going to be so much fun. So I'm really looking forward to that. Love doing Christmassy stuff. So yeah, now we're going to head on home and see what happens. All right, so look at all these coupons she gave me. She gave me these HomeSense coupons. I know for a fact I'm sure I'll use these. More coupons. She just like sat there looking through. They sent her a huge stack and she just basically said, I'm not going to use this. So she gave it to me, which like was so nice of her. It's really awesome. Love it. So nice of her. Love my free coupons. That is what I call a real life coupon fairy. A coupon fairy is basically somebody who leaves a coupon or coupons for somebody, leaves multiple coupons for somebody at like the shelf, or in her case, at her workstation at the post office. For when I came in, she's like, here you go, here's some coupons. She's like so nice. I really appreciated her giving me those coupons. So awesome. What is up now? I'm going to try to do something for school. I don't know what yet. I'm going to try to maybe do a, what else on the agenda? I need to do a statistics quiz, which I have zero desire to do, but I need to do it because I've got a lot of assignments over the next couple days because it's the end and there's so much to do at once. Pretty intense schedule, all worked out, that I am going to, I got to follow it to get everything done. So yeah. All right. So I know this vlog really was, pretty rough, but it was pretty boring, but I don't know, there wasn't too much to talk about today. I know tomorrow will be better. Sorry, I'm trying to get my hands in focus. I'm propping up my phone to film with my hand. So yes, I got those coupons from like the post office. Like I thought that was awesome. Like a coupon fairy, if you didn't know, a coupon fairy is someone, like I said, who leaves coupons on the shelves, and she like left the coupons for me. Like she had them there. Like she saved them for the next time I came in, which is so nice of her. Which I love that. And then also, was Kroger Day, so that took up a large portion of the day. And a lot of you guys enjoyed that mega sale video. So if you haven't seen that mega sale video, go and watch that video right now. And tomorrow at some point, the weekend sale alert will go up. So what's the plans for tomorrow? I'm planning on doing an Ibotta haul. I'm hoping. I found quite a few rebates I want to do between what apps. Let me look at my list. Ibotta, Savings Star, Fetch Rewards, and Shopkick. And just playing coupons at Kroger. Like, I'm really excited to get back into just that. Just like the playing you use a coupon kind of thing on the mega sale. It's been a while since I've had a haul like that. It's been the drugstores like lately. And it's just like, I don't know. So there's just something about going to Ibotta haul and Walmart and Kroger and doing that kind of stuff. So another rising question is I am at like 650 points for gold discount or towards gold discount. Now I know next year they're changing the level. They're only going to need 500 points to hit gold, which is awesome. But I don't know if it's in effect this year or not. So have I already hit gold, or is it still the 1,000 for this year? Let me know that in the comments. I'm not 100% sure. So, yeah, that was today's boring day. Yeah, I didn't pick up the camera that much because there just wasn't that much to talk about. So, I promise these are going to get better. There's lots of things I want to do on these vlogs. I appreciate y'all's feedback from last night. And also, I'm going to do another Q&A because I know a lot of you guys said you really wanted that again. So, start now by leaving your comments just on this video. And just say for the Q&A or whatever, and just leave your questions, and I'll start compiling questions over the next few days, and we'll do a Q&A here, maybe this weekend or something, I don't know, soon. So yeah, that's all I have, and thank you guys for watching.